Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to turn off sound effects on ClickUp. Maybe you want to focus on your task without being interrupted by notifications or just want to maintain a quiet working environment. So today I'm going to show you how to turn off sound effects on ClickUp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the ClickUp application and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on this freelance icon at the top left corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the left side. And here, tap on this gear icon at the top right to open the settings page. In this page, you will now see this sound effects option. Since you wanted to turn off this option, simply toggle off this switch next to it. After that, you now have successfully turned off sound effects on ClickUp. You can now work in peace as you will not receive any unnecessary noises anymore. There you go. If you wanted to know how to turn off sound effects on ClickUp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to turn off sound effects on ClickUp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.